Hi, this is Tim with EduRace. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the Clicker School activity, EduRace. In EduRace, after we've registered our students and set up our remote, we're taken to the first option screen, the Game Mode option. In this demonstration, I'm going to use the virtual remote with the teacher remote and 4 virtual student remotes to do the demonstration. Taking a look at the game mode, we have a couple different game options. First is speed. Speed is the default selected, and speed works with the faster your students respond, the faster their cars will drive in the game. If you choose accuracy, the students can take their time because speed doesn't matter. Correct answers will be top speed, and incorrect answers will be the lowest speed. You can choose between them by clicking on them, or by swapping between A and B on your remote. Another option outside of the game modes is the hazard chance. If you'd like to add a bit of chance to the game with hazards like flat tires and engine troubles, you can toggle this on by pressing C. You have none, low, or high as options for hazard chance. When you like your game mode, press the right arrow to move forward. EduRace is a team-based game. The default will automatically assign your students to teams. Here we see 2 students and their initials listed, 2 other students and their initials there. You can let the students pick their teams by pressing the letter A. Once you do that, the students' remotes will be activated, and they can press A to be on Team 1, or B to be on Team 2. Once the teacher likes the teams, you can press the right arrow to move forward. Next, the team needs to pick their driver. You have a couple options. The students can pick their own driver, like they did in the last example when they chose their teams, or you can let the system choose it randomly for them. If you don't like the drivers that the system chooses, you can press clear and let the students pick. The student chooses between male and female, and then several different aliases. Then the other team picks theirs, male or female, and picks their alias. Once you like the drivers that are set, the teacher presses the right arrow on their remote to move forward. Now we're taken into the questions. The questions by default display without their answer options. The teacher needs to initiate how the answer options are going to appear on the screen. To do that, they either press A to show all answer choices, or B to show them one at a time. Let me show you what B looks like. One at a time. Once all the answer choices are on the screen, the teacher initiates the game by pressing A to start polling. I'm going to do that now. Once you do that, a timer will start in the corner down here. Also, a response counter will be shown here. Here it says 0 out of 4 the students have answered. On the left, we see the boxes that each represent a student with their initials. When a student selects a correct answer, or any answer, the box will light up. It'll stay highlighted green after an answer choice has been submitted. You'll see this happen live. Once all the answers are submitted, the boxes will all be lit green, and the response counter will say all. Once this is done, the teacher presses B to stop the timer. Now you'll see 2 new choices down here for the teacher. They can press B to poll again if something went wrong, or they can press A to show the responses. Since nothing went wrong, we're going to press A. Okay. We see a quick breakdown of how the answers were spread out. We see 2 of the classmates, or 50%, chose letter A, 1 chose letter B, and 1 chose letter C. Now we can choose to show the correct answer by pressing letter A. The correct answer was C. Now, we can show the winner of this race by pressing A. Here you're going to see an animation of a car driving, and you'll see the cars crossing the finish line. You'll see that the car Jenny Jet was going at 112 miles per hour and finished the race first, where the other team, Magic Mike, finished second. Okay. Now, you can show an analysis of the answers by clicking on B to show your analysis after you've viewed the winner. This will give analysis with a pie chart showing you the breakdown of the questions in more detail, and you can also view the student analysis to see where the students were spread out. When you're all done with this analysis, press the lightning bolt to continue. To move on to question 2, press the right arrow. Now, once again, you choose how you want your answer options to be displayed. Press A to show them all at once, or B for one at a time. I'm going to press A this time. Then remember that to initiate the race, you need to press A to start. Now your students are going to answer live. You'll see the answers appear and live in real time at the bottom of the screen. And then once all the responses are in, you'll see all of these little green, and the response counter will say all. Now it's up to the teacher to press B to stop. If something went wrong, press B to pull again, or A to move forward. You'll see a breakdown at the bottom of your screen, and press A to show your answer. Now press A to show the animation for the winner. The animation will always show the winners of the current round, and it'll switch to the overall place of the teams. You also see at the bottom of the screen the area of the cars. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Once again, choose how your answers are to be displayed. Press A to start the race. Watch the students answer in real time. And then when all the answers are in, press B to stop. Press A to show your responses. Press A to show the correct answer. And press A again to show the winner animation. Once again, we see the winner for the round, the current place of the vehicles at the bottom of the screen, and the current overall score. Let's move forward. To move to the next question, press the right arrow. Again, choose how you'd like your answer choices to be displayed. Start your polling. Watch as the students answer in real time. And then press B to stop when all the answers are submitted. Press A to show the responses, A to show the answer, and then A again to show the winner. We get another animation. We see the current round's winner, status at the bottom of the screen with the cars, and the overall. Let's move on to the last question. Press the right arrow to move to the next question. Choose how you'd like to display your answer choices. Press A to start your polling. Watch the students answer in real time. And press B to stop when all your students have submitted their answers. Okay, press A to show your responses. Take a look at your breakdown. Press A to show your answer. Press A to show the winner. This time you're going to see that the cars crossed the finish line. The race is over. The final score is Team 1, Jenny Jet, first place. Team 2, Magic Mike, second place. Then you're going to see the winners and the winner cup. Second place, Magic Mike, and first place, Jenny Jet. When the animation is done, it'll take you back to a summary screen. From here, you can view the class averages for the entire exam. You click on B to view the top students and their rank, and press the lightning bolt to review the questions. From here you can scroll down the list of questions and see the questions' answers. You can also see this 25% here. This shows what percentage of the class got that question right. If you'd like to go back to the summary, click on the star and then click on summary. So, this has been a demonstration and overview of the EduRace activity for Clicker School.